What's going on, guys? It's your boy Casual coming to you guys today with another unboxing. If you saw my previous video, or maybe this will be the first video, I unboxed the Ryzen 2700X, the Ryzen 7 2700X, and today I'm going to be unboxing the GeForce GTX 1660 Ti Ventus XS overclock. So, actually, I don't think this is the XS one. Yeah, this is the XS overclock one. So, today I'm going to be unboxing this. This is going to be my GPU for my PC build. And this is what I'm mainly going to be using for After Effects, if I'm not mistaken. I know that the 2700X works perfect with DaVinci Resolve, but I mostly use Premiere Pro and Adobe programs. So, I'm probably going to be using my graphics card, this graphics card for After Effects. So that'll take my videography to another level, and I'm excited to start using it. Honestly, like this is the part that gave me the most issues when it came to trying to order it and find it on Amazon. Currently, it's 2021, so we're just getting out of the year 2020, and a lot of people are doing at-home remote work. You have a lot of kids at home, and of course you have people who already like graphics cards and are building PCs with their workstations and gaming setups. So for this, I could not find the perfect price because the price was fluctuating for a couple of weeks. So I actually purchased this graphics card for double the price, or close to double the price, which is unacceptable, honestly. But unfortunately, with the current time, regardless of when I purchased it, then until now, until the future, I think the price is going to continue to go up due to the circumstances. So that's unfortunate, but I got mine, so I'm just happy with it, and I'm excited to set it up in the computer so we can go ahead and take a look at it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box, and then we're going to unbox it, and I will give you my final thoughts. Alright, so if we switch over to my second cam, this is going to be the GeForce GTX 1660 Ventus XS. And if you take a look on the front, you got your basic marking, you got your GDDR6, your Direct X12, your Ansel, and your Turing shaders. I'm not too familiar with most of this terminology, but if you guys are researching this video, maybe you know more than me. So please go in the comments and definitely suggest anything that I may have missed, because I do want this video to be factful. And also, like, comment, and subscribe. This is a new channel, so it'll definitely help me out with my analytics and getting my channel out there, so I would appreciate that. Alright, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the left side of the box. Now on this side, this is just some coding. I don't know, I'll probably cut that part out because I don't know if I want you guys to see that. We got the back with some simple stuff. So this GTX 1660 Ti comes with 192-bit. It comes with 3 display ports, 8 gigabytes of system memory. Microsoft Windows 10 does not come with it, but it's Microsoft Windows 10 capable. It's VR capable, and it is also one 8-pin supplementary power connector. So you can power this with one 8-pin cable. It's got your copper cooling, which you'll see on it when I unbox it, your disk drivers for NVIDIA, and one HDMI display port, one display port, and again your 8-pin connector for power. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it. Put the box down there. So you get your MSI graphics card quick user guide, and you also get your You also get your thank you card for purchasing the graphics card, and also some coupons. So we're not going to be needing any of that. And to get in the box, we're going to go ahead and pull this away. And here is your graphics card. It is in a plastic. I forgot what the plastic was called, but I think it's like, it keeps the graphics card safe. All the metal components, like magnets around your PC components, aren't good, so they wrap it in this stuff, I guess, to keep it safe. So we're going to go ahead and take the graphics card out. And before I open it, I want to go ahead and put my gloves on because I don't want to touch it I have touched it already without my gloves on, but I don't want to do that again. I just want to make sure I keep everything nice and clean with no fingerprints or dust or anything. Alright. So, a little bit of tape on the bottom. Pull that out. And it opens like a bag of chips. Pop that open. And here it is. Here's the graphics card itself. You got your copper tubing here, if I'm not mistaken. That's what it's called. That's what I'm gonna call it. You got all of your inputs here, so that you can plug anything you need to in here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be plugging my monitors directly into the graphics card, or if I'm gonna be plugging it into the motherboard. I'm pretty sure you get better performance if you plug it into the graphics card, so that's probably what I'll do. But here it is. Here, let me go ahead and turn it over. You have this protective covering on the top, if I'm not mistaken. This will be the top of it. It's brushed. It's a nice metal. I'm not sure what metal, but it's definitely pretty sturdy. You're not gonna have to worry about that like bending on you or anything like that. It's pretty girthy. Like, it's pretty heavy. Like, I'm surprised. When I first took it out the box, or when I first got the box, I was like, I mean, this is pretty heavy. And it looks great. You got your fans here. Those are looking good. So yeah, guys, this is the graphics card itself. Alright guys, so here are my final thoughts for the GeForce 1660 Ti, and I'll start with the build quality. The build quality is exceptional when it comes to a starter graphics card or an entry-level graphics card. I think that it is made very well. It's made in China, so we know they know what they're doing over there. They bring over quality products, and I mean, the amount of money I paid for it, it was way more than I expected to pay, but I'm happy with my purchase, and I'm assuming, and I know for a fact, that it's definitely an investment that will help me make more money in the future. So I'm happy with the build quality. Alright, I can't exactly tell you guys what the performance is going to be. I already know the performance is going to be great, but I will make a separate video, a few videos after this. So if you would like, comment, and subscribe, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you can come back and see the full review for this after I put it in the PC. There will be a PC build coming up on my channel where I'm going to put everything together, and yeah, it's going to be a fun time. So definitely follow me on that journey, and I appreciate you guys for coming to this video and giving me the time of day. And again, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.